go.
MGS2 though.
Alright, so
MGS2.
how about this? We should be running.
Wow, I didn't even realize he was coming for me. I jumped out of my chair. Mom saw that.
Oh. You should run because I'm at this. Okay. Wait.
This was really double trouble. Let's say, okay. What mode do you want to pick? 096 mode or comic mode? You can choose the also there's
we should do the scary one.
Okay. Let's look at the first. Uh-oh. What is this door?
I should actually be a smart person and not see him coming. I should actually be a smart person and not be close to him because he's gonna be coming in a second.
Aren't you following me?
And I lost you. That's a shame. I'm gonna go to you.
Run. I have no idea what this guy is. What he's coming.
But can talk.
Oh,
I see him.
Coming right towards me. Right behind me. He's right behind me, bro. Where the flip are you?
I don't know. I'm looking for you.
Bring me, please.
I'm with this Bit. We should be running.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you when he's coming.
I feel like I need to focus. He's coming! Don't go back! You try to break his ankles. Oh, he's coming for you, not me. Oh God, he's coming for you. He literally just ignored me for some reason.
Maybe it's probably because I was the only one that looks at his face. I have 1 minute. Bring me, please. Bring me.
I'm doesn't
Never mind,
bring.
actually, go to me. Oh. Let me tell you when he's coming.
Alright, I don't know where to go.
I want to stay close as I can.
Oh, he's coming! Oh God! I always spawn him in the pelican as well.
Unspawn him right now.
It's gonna be 2 pelicans.
No, not 2 pelicans.
I might just we should go! I shot him.
Why are you going the opposite way? And that pelicans usually target people.
Go!
They're right behind your back, just to let you know. Just to let you know. Just to let you know. We're dead. Just to let you know. Let's find some parts. Cause we're about to be dead in a second.
He got it. We made it.
Coming right behind us, isn't he?
I think
Let's explore the place. Let's see the wonders of the map. Let's see if we can dive for 30 seconds. Let's see if we can die, or maybe not. Let's see. Let's see if we can die even for a second.
I think if he catches me, he's gonna rip off my dick.
There's 464 coming.
Oh no!
I don't think he's coming for me. He's coming for you.
I think I'm screwed as hell. Yeah,
No,
crap.
I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed.
We're
I don't know
both
why
screwed.
there's more pelicans coming after me.
We're both screwed. We're both absolutely dead. There's no chance of surviving.
Pelicans coming right after me. I'm going to die, ain't I? You're right there! Wait for me!
Oh god, I'm running for my life. I'm running for my life. I'm running for my life. Oh god.
Oh god, there's so much pelicans. Where the flip did you go? I am dead, ain't I? Did you go left? Oh, there you are.
God. The way they're chasing you, Jesus Christ.
Okay, I have to go. I think I have to, yeah.